Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, September 7th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why I believe silver is the #1 investment right now. I'm going to give you 3 reasons. Okay, I'm going to break it down in 3 quick points. The first point is that silver is real money. It's not paper, all right? It's been around for thousands of years. The government can't make more of it. They can mine more of it, but they can't reprint it. And it's real value, right? It has real value to it. It holds its value, which is the second point. It's undervalued. All right, and affordable. Silver is affordable for anybody. Gold always seems to take the spotlight. And so silver is often overlooked by many people. I mean, the majority of people, they don't stack silver. All right, they don't even stack gold, but they don't stack any precious metals. So it's, you know, it's a real tangible asset that is overlooked. It's undervalued, and gold always gets the spotlight. So there's no better time to start stacking silver than right now, right? Because we know that how supply and demand works. Silver is used in everything, all right? Lots and lots and lots of different applications, from medical applications to electronics to solar panels, cookware, everything, you know? Even water purification systems, car batteries, you know, lots and lots of different applications. So it's, the demand for silver is increasing. The supply for silver is only so much. And we know what happens when there's a demand for something that has a limited supply, right? The price of it goes up. So it's something that, you know, is going to continue, it's going to hold its value, and it's going to continue to go up over time. And we're seeing that right now, right? It's right around the $41 mark. And we started the year, it was down around the $30 mark, $29, $30 mark. So it's just going to continue to go up. It's going to hold its value, and it's something tangible that you can hold in your hand in case something ever happens to the monetary system, or our funds are frozen at a bank, or, you know, we just don't know. There's uncertain times, which brings me to point number 3, and that's, it's a hedge against uncertainty, right? Not just against inflation, but uncertainty. Because we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen here with the monetary system. And, you know, we've seen banks freeze funds before. We've seen credit card companies freeze funds before. With silver, you're having something physical. All right. So if something like that ever happens, you have physical money that is worth something that you can use to barter, trade, whatever. In fact, it's going to be 23 or 26 states next year. They passed legislation where states are going to recognize silver and gold as currency. Right? So you're going to be able to use, and I think there's a few states now, like different stores in, I think, 5 states, where they take gold and silver as payment. But the government's actually going to, the federal level is actually going to recognize it as currency going into next year. I forget when that starts next year. Sometime in the middle of the year, I believe. I'll have to do some more research on that and do a video about it. But, you know, it's just a hedge against uncertainty. We don't, you know, it'll protect you against inflation, market crashes, global uncertainty. It holds its value when paper fails. And we all know that the dollar bill is undervalued, and they just keep printing more money. Right? So our dollar bill is fiat money. It's backed by nothing. And the more money that our government prints, the less it becomes, or the more it becomes undervalued. And, you know, that's my 3 reasons why I believe that silver is the #1 investment right now. Basically because it's overlooked. You know, people don't even look at it. They're looking at gold. They're looking at the stock market. They're looking at cryptocurrency. There's a very few people who actually get into stacking silver, and I think it's a huge mistake. I think that getting in right now when we see the prices at around the $41 mark, I've been listening to some experts who say that over the next, we could see $50 by the end of this month. Some experts are saying it could reach triple digits by the end of next year. So it's something that you want to have some of, right? You want to have some of it. You're trading your money that isn't worth anything for something that has real value that's going to continue to go up, right? So, I mean, that's how I'm looking at it. If paper wealth ever disappears overnight, you have something, you have silver in your hand, something that's real and tangible and something that you can use to get out of situations, all right? So don't wait for the crash to act. You want to start stacking silver now. And I will give you a free silver bar just for checking out our website. You can go to silverstackingempire.com. silverstackingempire.com. All right, check it out. You can get a free silver bar delivered to your door. You pay $2.74 to have it shipped if you're in the United States. I believe it's $3.74 if you're international. But you can have a 1 gram silver bar shipped right to your door just for checking out our website. We have very competitive prices on silver and gold. I'll leave a shop link down below. And then we have a business side opportunity as well, where you can get paid up to 7 different ways by referring other people to our company and opportunity. So I love everything about the company and opportunity. It's legit. It's been around for 6 years now, going on 7 years. Transparent owners. They do everything by the book. They buy the coins from mint companies. Everything's done under surveillance. There's nothing. It's a great opportunity, especially if you're in the work from home space. It won't interfere with anything else that you're doing. It's in its own niche, which is cool, and you're actually going to get something of value sent to your door every single month, as opposed to powders, potions, and lotions that most people really don't need. So with that being said, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And feel free to share this with somebody. You might not be interested in this stacking silver or gold or our business opportunity, but you might know somebody who is. Feel free to share this video. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate you all so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.